Today I'm going to show you how to make these healthy banana pancakes that are gluten-free, dairy-free and have only 3 ingredients. And I've got a blog post down below which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for toppings too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these healthy banana pancakes a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make them. Start by mashing a banana in a bowl with a fork until it's nice and smooth and creamy, just like that. And then crack in 2 eggs and give it all a really good whisk to get it all nice and smooth and creamy. And then for the flour, I'm using coconut flour. Add in 2 to 4 tablespoons, depends on the size of the banana and the eggs and how much batter you have. So start with 2 tablespoons, give them a good whisk through. If it needs more flour, add more, otherwise 2 is likely to be just fine. And then we'll get to cooking them. So heat up a frying pan, add in coconut oil, olive oil, your oil of choice, and 1 to 2 heaped tablespoons of the pancake batter. And fill up your frying pan with as many as your frying pan can hold and the size that you like. And then cook them until bubbles start to appear on the surface of the pancakes. When you get bubbles on the surface, it is time to flip your pancakes over. So then just gently flip them all over until they're cooked and golden on both sides, which really doesn't take long. Keep a close watch of them. And once they're perfectly cooked and golden, we can move them off onto a plate. That's it. They're done and ready to be served up. So you've got your beautiful pile of healthy banana pancakes, and then it is the fun part of adding on toppings. As I said, blog post down below will have lots of ideas for toppings. In this instance, what I went for was a handful of flaked almonds. It's just what I felt like on the day. Add a bit of protein, a bit of crunch to my breakfast. So we've got some lovely flaked almonds, and then you can go maple syrup or some honey or sugar-free syrup. Really depends on your diet, what you like, just to add a bit more sweetness and indulgence to my healthy banana pancakes. But that is the short and sweet recipe for today with the healthy banana pancakes that are gluten-free, dairy-free. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with a full recipe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.